So now we've got a bit of sun, I thought we'd do a quick, slightly more in-depth tour of the new facelifted Swift. Just a couple of minutes, we're not going to go into too much technical detail, just a hands-on, show you what's different, some of the new bits and pieces in terms of technology. Obviously starting with cosmetic, I mean, look how amazing that looks. So main things are redesigned rear bumper and front bumper. Along with that, tail lights are now new. We've got this really nice wraparound look here with the red here. LED lights just inside. We've got a new alloy wheel design as well. So this is an Ultra. We've got the diamond cut two-tone alloy wheel. This particular colour is mineral grey as well. When it's clean, how amazing does that look? Really sparkles in the sunshine. Moving back to the front, got this clamshell style bonnet. Really makes the car look muscular. Really does well with the car. And then we've got a new headlight design here. Again, we've got the wraparound daylight running light. Really angular. Car looks really smart. Now if you move to the inside, that's obviously where we're going to see a lot of the differences. I'll give you a quick peek of the interior there, but before that we will go into the rear. Now the driver's seat is set to what I would sit, and I'm not particularly tall, 5'8", but I've got plenty of space, so even people a lot taller would have huge amounts of space. You can comfortably get 3 people in the back. Moving on to storage, we'll have a look in the boot. Again, really ample boot size there, more than enough for most people. We've still got the underfloor storage there, so we can hide some of the bits and pieces away. If you need even more space, you can put the seats down, so you have the 60-40 split there. So if you have bigger items, you can get those in there, no problem at all. And of course, hybrid is standard, not to forget that. We've now got a 1.2 3-cylinder, really smooth, really efficient drivetrain. I'm not going to go into too much detail, like I say, about technical specifications. You need to drive it to appreciate it. But we'll jump inside and go through some of the interior adjustments. So like I say, this is the Ultra, but the motion looks very similar. There's a couple of different accents that are different, and we've got this really nice dark anthracite grey here, which gives it a real premium feel. But we'll just start it up. So keyless entry across the range, both Motion and Ultra, as standard. Things like reversing camera, reversing sensors, automatic LED lights, adaptive cruise control, standard as well, as is climate control, heating just down here. Nice big new infotainment screen. Pop the camera into reverse, just so you can see a nice wide reversing camera. So really packed with tech. Got some new dial designs here, which are really nice. A lot of the cars have gone digital, but I really like the analog style dials. And we've got the TFT display here, which will give you various different things like fuel economy, speed, adaptive cruise information. But really gorgeous interior. Just down here we've got our heated seat switches, USB-C connection points just down there too. Blind spot assist in the wing mirrors, which is really unheard of a car in this sort of range. You know, a small car. Power folding mirrors, which are heated. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is for a lot of people are non-negotiable now. But hopefully, folks, this gives you an idea on the introduction to new Swift. I'll just jump out and show you once more. So come on down, or give us a call if you've got any more questions. Because if, like us, you'll be very taken aback with how well Suzuki have done in upgrading what is an already brilliant car, which is the red one just there, the outgoing model. And we look forward to answering any questions you've got.